In this video, we'll show you how to add a collaborator to a post on Instagram after it's been published. If this guide helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Collaborating on Instagram posts allows you to feature someone else on your content. For example, this is how it will appear on the post, displaying both accounts at the top. It's a great way to increase engagement and highlight others involved in the post. Let's get started. First, find the post you want to add a collaborator to. I'll use this one for demonstration. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post, open the options menu. Scroll down and select Edit. Once you're in editing mode, look for the plus sign at the bottom left of the post. Tap on it, and from the options that appear, choose Tag People. From here, you can either tag users or select Invite Collaborator. Start typing the name of the person you want to invite, select their profile, and hit Done in the top right corner. Tap Done once more, and that's it. You've successfully sent the invitation to your collaborator, and they can now accept. Now, you can easily collaborate on your posts with others and share the spotlight.